So what are you opening, Neva?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know what it is.
It's this, the Squish Collection?
Squishmallow.
Squishmallow Collection?
Yeah.
Wow.
Squishmallow.
What is
That's the one I have.
Wow. Wow. Let me see, what does it come with? What are those, all stickers?
Yeah, stickers.
That's a lot of stickers. Wow. Look at that. Comes with all these cool stickers.
Come over here with the little one.
And the baby stickers. Wow, that is so cool.
And then you open this up, you got more stickers. You got more stickers.
And then it has more stickers.
And then tape.
Whoa.
Ow,
And then, sorry.
And then you got tape.
It has little tapes. Okay.
These stickers you can draw. You can make your own design stickers.
Let me see.
Squishmallow.
Oh, it's like a little clipboard. Wow, and it has
Yeah, that's
more
what my
paper
third
in
one.
there.
I like to rip this off. You know why?
Yeah.
Because it's not meant to be there.
Okay. Well, it is, because you get to write stuff on there and then you put it away.
No.
Okay, what else comes in here? That's really cute.
Alright, a notepad for me to write all me and my Go sticker stuff.
Okay.
For the one I tell. Oh, big stickers.
Let me see. Come on.
That get them off. It's hard. Pretty hard.
Wow.
It's hard.
Wow.
Also we also have
Okay.
black pencil, white.
They're pens.
White.
Gel pens.
Green, yellow, blue.
Okay.
And then these big stickers.
Oh, that is so nice.
It's hard.
I hope you take them out. Don't worry about it. Just leave them there. I'll get the scissors right now. And then,
Mom, no, I opened it.
okay, what else you got?
It's hard.
Oh, those are paper clips. Let me see. What are they? Oh, they're so cute. What else you got? Cute little baggie to put all your pencils and paper clips in there.
And then
A journal.
and
Wow. And it comes with a lead pencil. Let me see this cute little baggie. Look how cute. Hey.
and then sticky notes.
And then
Sticky notes.
and some sticky notes. Wow. Well, it comes with
And
a
then-
lot of stuff. That is so cool.
And then these stickers.
And the stickers.
I'll show you. So I'll show you what we got first. This little bird.
Uh-huh.
This little squish. This little marsh.
Wow, and the bee.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it started with this. I'm going to show you what I'm going to write.
And then you got a journal.
Want me to show you what I'm going to write?
Sure.
All right.